We need to assemble a timber loader. That's all. Let's fuel the timber loader. Let's put the refueling gun in the tank. Look at the indicator. It shows how much fuel there is in the machine. Done! This railroad hasn't been used for a long time. Let's clear it of fallen trees. Now you try. Now let's wash the timber loader. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Ready. Let's assemble the dressing. Hooray! Let's load the empty bags onto the dressing. Let's load the necessary items into the machine. Keep it up. Let's remove the remaining branches from the tracks. We need to wash the dressing. That's all. First, let's assemble the minecart. Ready. Let's load the materials into the minecart. Hooray! We need to repair the rails. When we fix them, they'll be available for moving. Let's wash the minecart. Don't stop. First, let's assemble a garbage car. Keep up the good work. Let's mark the containers in the garbage car. That's all. The railroad brought us to an abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. We need to wash the garbage car. Keep up the good work. Let's assemble the flat car. Hooray! Let's load materials for repairment onto the flat car. Amazing! Let's repair the railroad station. Now let's wash the flat car. Amazing! First, let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. Done! Let's load the roof onto the crane with cargo bed. You're doing really great. Let's install new roof and windows. Let's wash the crane with cargo bed. You're doing really great. We need to assemble the bucket lift. Don't stop! And now we need to fuel the bucket lift. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's install the station clock. We need to wash the bucket lift. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble the locomotive. You're doing really great. First, let's fuel the locomotive. Push the pump to fill the locomotive with water. Done! We need to check the locomotive before the long journey. Let's wash the locomotive. Keep it up. We need to assemble the train. Go on. That's all. The station is working! Now wizards can go on a journey!